In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit 4K footage on a slow computer using Davinci Resolve 18.5's proxy workflow. If you've ever felt the frustration of your computer struggling to handle those large, high-resolution files, you've come to the right place. By following this proxy workflow, you can smoothly edit your projects without the burden of a lagging system. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already, download and install it from Blackmagic Design's official website. Once you have the application up and running, click on a project to open it. You can either select an existing project or start a new one. If you're starting fresh, be sure to set up your project settings according to your footage specifics, like frame rate and resolution. It's essential to ensure these settings align with your final desired output. Now that you've got your project opened, go ahead and navigate to the edit page. You'll find this option along the bottom of your screen, nestled among the other workspace options. The edit page is where most of your editing magic happens, and it's important for setting up your workflow properly. Next, we'll need to access the media pool. Look to your top left and you'll see an option labeled Media Pool. This area is essentially your project's library, where all your video and audio files are housed. It's the hub from which you'll be managing and accessing your media as you edit. Now, when you have your media files in the media pool, you'll want to right-click on them. This is where the power of the proxy workflow begins. When you right-click, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll choose the proxy media option. This is a crucial step as it enables you to manage and utilize proxy files efficiently. After selecting proxy media, you'll then click on Generate Proxy Media. What this action does is create lower resolution duplicates of your original 4K footage. These proxies are significantly smaller and much less taxing on your computer. They allow you to edit smoothly without compromising on responsiveness. Once you're ready to export, or if you want to check your progress, Davinci Resolve will easily swap back to the original high-resolution footage, ensuring the final product is as crisp and clear as you need. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've implemented a powerful proxy workflow in Davinci Resolve 18.5, ensuring smoother and more efficient editing on slower computers. Don't forget to periodically save your work, and you'll be set to create impressive, high-quality videos without the hassle of technical slowdowns. Enjoy your editing, and thanks.